Good evening, my dear students and friends, especially to my class 10th student. Hope you all are fine and studying well at your home. In this video, I will explain the chemical equation. What is chemical equation? Try to understand. First of all, in last video, I discussed about introduction, how one chemical react with another chemical and form a new chemical, right? And this new chemical we termed a product. I also tried to explain you guys with the help of three activities. First one was burning of magnesium ribbon, if you remembered. Second one was reaction of lead nitrate with potassium iodide. And last one was reaction of a zinc granule with hydrochloric acid. So with the help of these three activities, in this video, we will try to understand what is chemical equation. Clear? So first of all, let's see the definition of a chemical equation. What is chemical equation? Chemical equation is a symbolic representation of a chemical reaction in the form of a symbols or formulae. Clear? Chemical equation कुछ नहीं है. Chemical equation सिर्फ symbolic representation है किसी भी chemical reaction का, जिसमें रिएक्टेंट एंटाइटीज़ हमेशा लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में लिखी जाती हैं और प्रोडक्ट एंटाइटीज़ हमेशा राइट हैंड साइड में लिखी जाती हैं. बिटवीन रिएक्टेंट और प्रोडक्ट एंटाइटीज़ एरो साइन इज देयर दैट इज रिप्रेजेंटिंग रिएक्शन इज मूविंग टूवर्ड द फॉरवर्ड साइड और रिएक्शन इज मूविंग टूवर्ड द बैकवर्ड साइड. क्लियर? ओके. Let's try to understand with the help of examples. First of all, we will take an example of burning of magnesium. Okay? See. Mg plus O2, this gives MgO. This is a chemical equation of burning of magnesium. Here question come in students' minds. Why O2 is came here? I am writing O2 because always burning process is possible in the presence of O2 only. If oxygen will not present, then burning will not happen. That's why burning of magnesium means magnesium is reacting with O2 and form a magnesium oxide, MgO. So, this can be write in the form of a chemical equation Mg plus O2. This gives MgO. Okay. Now see, this is a chemical equation. Okay. Mg and O2 are written on the left hand side of the arrow. Arrow is representing with the red sign. Clear? So, Mg and O2 are called the reactants. Because why they are called reactant? They are called reactant because they are undergoing the reaction. ये reaction में जाने वाले हैं. ठीक है? और on the right hand side of the arrow, MgO is given. Right? Magnesium oxide. This magnesium oxide is called product. Why we are called product? We are named product because this chemical is formed after the reaction of magnesium and oxygen. It is come like a result. That's why they are giving the name product. Clear? Now, come to the second activity, reaction of a lead nitrate with potassium iodide. Okay. When lead nitrate react with the potassium iodide, it will convert into a lead iodide and potassium nitrate. See here, PbNO32 is the formula of lead nitrate, Ki is the formula of potassium iodide, PbI2 is the formula of lead iodide, and KNO3 is the formula of potassium nitrate. Here, lead nitrate and potassium iodide means PbNO3 plus 2Ki are written on the left hand side of the equation. That's why they are called the reactant. They are going under the reaction. Okay, so we are termed them reactant. Now our arrow sign is there with the red sign. This arrow head is pointing toward the lead iodide and potassium nitrate. PbI2 plus 2KNO3 means this reaction is proceeding toward the forward direction, right? So PbI2 plus 2KNO3 are the product entities. Clear? Reactant entities are given on the left hand side of the arrow and product entities are given on the right hand side of the arrow. That is the main point you should understand. Okay, now see another example of reaction. Reaction of a zinc granule react with hydrochloric acid and they form ZnCl2 and a gas is released that is called hydrogen. When we are writing the chemical equation of this reaction, we will write Zn plus 2HCl. This gives ZnCl2 plus H2. Zn and 2HCl are written on the left hand side of the arrow. That's why they are called reactant entities. They are undergoing the reaction. Arrow's head is pointing toward the ZnCl2 plus H2. Means reaction is moving toward the forward direction. ZnCl2 and H2 are the product entities and they are written on the right hand side of the arrow. So, in this video, I tried to explain you what is chemical equation, what term we are using to define a chemical equation, what are reactants, what are the products, how we are writing a chemical equation, where we are writing reactant, where we will write product. So hope this video will help you to understand this concept chemical equation. Thank you and have a nice day.